Hello, I am Dr. Pooja Thomar. This presentation is from Unit 2 Fuel based on numerical on combustion category 1. Category 1. When fuel's composition is in volumetric form and each component is expressed as percentage, there are some steps to solve the numerical. These steps are: write basis, convert percentage into volume, means meter cube or liter, write the combustion reaction for each and every component, calculate oxygen needed, and minimum or theoretical air in meter cube or liter is equal to 100 upon 21 into volume of oxygen. Put the volume of oxygen, put the value of oxygen here, and you will get the answer. Numerical. This is the numerical. Calculate the volume of air required for complete combustion of gaseous fuel by volume. Here few components are given: hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide and ethene are those components which undergo combustion reaction, whereas nitrogen, water vapor do not take part in combustion reaction. Volumetric composition is given, so let the basis will be 1 meter cube. Make a table for fuel to express percentage, volume in 1 meter cube of fuel, to write down combustion reaction, and to calculate oxygen requirement. Hydrogen 50% in 1 meter cube, 0.5 combustion reaction for hydrogen, and oxygen requirement is 1 meter cube of hydrogen requires half meter cube of oxygen. So 0.5 meter cube of hydrogen will require half of the oxygen. Numerical value of oxygen requirement is 0.25. Methane 36%, volumetric composition 0.36 meter cube, combustion reaction for methane, and the oxygen requirement for methane is 0.36 into 2, because 1 mole of it requires double of oxygen. 0.36 into 2 is 0.72. Nitrogen, it is a non-combustible matter. Carbon monoxide 6% in 1 meter cube, 0.06 combustion reaction for carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide requires half mole of oxygen to form carbon dioxide. So oxygen requirement for carbon monoxide is 0.06 into half is equal to 0.03. For ethene, 4% is present in 1 meter cube, 0.04 combustion reaction for ethene. The 1:3 is the ratio of combustion of ethene with oxygen. So oxygen requirement is 0.04 into 3. Numerical value is 0.12. Water vapor, it does not undergo combustion, so it is neglected. After oxygen requirement, in the last column, total oxygen required by this fuel is calculated, and it is given by formula: actual oxygen required is equal to oxygen required by fuel minus oxygen present in fuel. We can see that the oxygen is absent in the fuel, so here 1.12 minus oxygen present in fuel will be nil or 0. So numerical value for oxygen is 1.12 meter cube. Volume of air is given by formula 100 upon 21 into actual oxygen required by volume. The numerical value for this question is 5.33 meter cube. Here the unsolved problem is given on the same concept. A gas used in an internal combustion engine has 50% hydrogen, methane 30%, 15% carbon monoxide, nitrogen 5%. Find the volume of air needed for combustion of 1 meter cube of gas. Here hint is given. Let the assumed basis, let it be 1 meter cube. Then make a table to express the fuels component. After writing fuels component, make a again new column for percentage. Then percentage is converted into meter cube, and after that write down the combustion reaction. After writing combustion reaction, calculate total oxygen required. Again here oxygen is absent, so actual oxygen required is calculated, and after that the volume of oxygen is put in the formula of volume of air required is equal to 100 upon 21 into volume of oxygen, and the numerical value is coming to be 4.40 meter cube. This is very simple numerical, you can do yourself. Second problem. The composition by volume of a certain fuel sample is hydrogen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, methane, ethane, ethene and butane and oxygen and nitrogen. Now calculate the theoretical amount of air would be at 25 degrees centigrade and 750 mm pressure for complete combustion of 1 meter cube of fuel. Now to solve the numerical problem, following steps are to be done. Basis, it is given 1 meter cube. Change percentage composition of fuels component into meter cube. Write balanced combustion reaction for each and every component of fuel. It is done for you in next slide. Calculate the actual oxygen needed. Then theoretical amount of air, and theoretical amount of air at specified temperature and pressure using Boyle's law and Charles law to get the volume changed. This is the table. Fuel, in first column fuel, second percentage, in third column amount in 1 meter cube of fuel, combustion reaction and oxygen requirement in meter cube are given. Hydrogen 24%, its amount in 1 meter cube is 0.25. Hydrogen requires half mole of oxygen to form water. So oxygen requirement for hydrogen is 0.24 into half is 0.12. For carbon monoxide 6%, 1 in 1 meter cube it is 0.06. Combustion reaction for carbon monoxide is, carbon monoxide requires half mole of oxygen to form combustion product of carbon dioxide. 0.06 into 0.5 is equal to 0.03 is the oxygen needed by carbon monoxide. Carbon dioxide, it does not undergo combustion. Methane 30% is present. It is 0.3 in meter cube. The combustion reaction for methane is given, and the methane requires double of its volume for combustion, double volume of oxygen for combustion. So 0.3 is present, into 2 is 0.6 is the oxygen needed. Then for ethane 11% in 1 meter cube, 0.11 meter cube. The reaction of ethane with oxygen is 1:3.5. So 0.11 is multiplied by 3.5 to get 0.8385 oxygen requirement. For ethene 4.55 is converted into meter cube, 0.045 meter cube. Combustion reaction of ethane shows that the ethene shows that 1:3 is the oxygen needed for ethene. The oxygen requirement is 0.135. For butene 25%, 0.25 meter cube, and the ratio of butene and oxygen is 1:6. So 0.25 is multiplied by 6, and the oxygen needed by butene is 1.5 meter cube. Oxygen and nitrogen do not take part in combustion, so they are neglected here. Actual volume of oxygen requirement for combustion is calculated by using this formula: minimum oxygen required. Minimum oxygen required is coming by getting the sum in the oxygen requirement by each and every component in the last column, and it is coming to be 2.77 minus oxygen is in fuel. Oxygen is present in fuel and 0.02 meter cube of oxygen is present. So it must be subtracted from the formula 2.77 minus 0.02. At NTP it is 2.75 meter cube. So volume of oxygen required at the given temperature and pressure. Initial pressure, volume and temperature are given, and the change in volume is to be calculated at a specified pressure P1 750 mm of mercury and T1 298 Kelvin. By this formula, V1 is 3.041 meter cube. This is the volume of oxygen. So volume of air required is 3.041 into 100 upon 21, and its numerical value is 14.48 meter cube. Thank you everybody, and keep trying this type of numerical. Thank you.